Jim and Nicola Waterhouse were struggling to make a living before they met. It's encouraged them to rethink their business.
There's a lovely family scene. How have things changed for you over the last few years?
Things are getting increasingly more.
Thomas suspects great value to our business. It's more or less turned it around from me struggling on my own to, you know, a viable dairy enterprise.
They've now got a herdsman helping them too.
We get just like every other weekend off, so yeah, that makes a big difference when they're young.
Often dairy farmers are working the fingers to the bone, aren't they?
We do, definitely. Also, growing up, it's time to be spending with them and enjoying the dairy side, so putting attention to detail in when you are working, but also recharging your batteries.
Best of luck with it.
Thank you, Adam.
We'll see you soon. Okay.
Yeah, bye, girls. Say bye-bye.
It's great that Tom and his business partner have come up with some exciting ideas to try and improve the profitability of dairy farming, and they're attracting young people into it. And really, if you want to get young people into farming nowadays, it's got to be exciting. It's got to